What is up, everyone? This is Too Slow. Today is going to be one of those quick videos. I don't have time to plan this out. It is actually Thursday night, Thursday afternoon, I guess you could say. It's like around 8 right now. Usually I have these episodes a little bit more prepared, but this time, no. Yeah, what's been going on with the channel? Why have I not been posting? I'm just really busy. There's a lot of stuff going on in my life right now, more personal stuff. I really don't want to talk about it. It's just personal stuff. It's nothing bad. It's life. Stuff happens. And so right now I just pretty much occupy myself a really lot. I occupy myself. I've been working a lot more hours. I'm not existing at home, obviously, and yeah, there's not been much update to the cars, but there's been one dilemma with the Celica, and you guys are probably seeing it right there. Yeah, it happened. Why hide it? I posted it on my Instagram. I'm pretty sure some of you already saw, but sad reacts only. Just only sad reacts. Yep, that's my $220 greddy front lip that I waited for like 2 months to receive straight from Japan. That's broken. It's broken. I'm missing a good chunk from it. I'm missing like a good chunk from it, but luckily, let's see, where is it at? So luckily I have the piece that will connect both together, but the thing is I'm missing a huge piece of it, like huge. What I have in mind is I'm gonna attach both ends that are cracked with this. I'm gonna attach it, and I'm gonna see if I could maybe add fiberglass to it. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I watched this one YouTuber called Arthur. I don't know his last name. Arthur Tuss. I forgot. I will put his name right here. Excellent YouTube channel. I always loved watching his YouTube videos of him repairing cars, and I saw one of a Honda Fit where there was a huge chunk missing from his lip, and from one of the lip, and he was able to use expanding foam to shape it and add fiberglass to it and pretty much form the lip back. This is going to be a temporary fix. It's not going to be like a forever fix. Again, you guys saw me fix it the first time. It worked out. But the thing was, when I was driving back from San Jose back home, they're doing construction on the Altamont right now. Really bad construction. And so it gets really annoying driving through there. And I decided to take the side road where there's less traffic, because I get really impatient with traffic. Should have stayed in traffic, that wouldn't have happened. If I stayed in traffic, that wouldn't have happened. No, I decided to go on the side road. Car runs over, I don't know what it was. I don't even think it was a piece of rubber tire no more, because I actually saw my fog light. It's cracked. My fog light is cracked. And I don't think it was a piece of rubber. I think it was something way much more heavier, because that did pretty big damage to the that did pretty big damage to my greddy lip. And I was just sad that day. Like, it was just sad. Like, I hit it, the car ran over. I wasn't even following too close. People were saying, why were you following too close? Jinx, come in here. Anyway, Jinx. Oh, look, my cat's here. Yeah, you guys have seen Jinx. This is Jinx. I call her Adventure Kitty. She's in a lot of my videos. I'm gonna try and fix the lip, because here's the plan. My front bumper right now, it's just hacked up really bad. Like, it's been repaired so many times that I'm just ready to give up on it and buy a whole new bumper, like a whole new OEM bumper from Toyota. So that's the plan. My bottom part, it's actually a new OEM piece that I bought when I bought the Celica, and I'm gonna keep that. That's still in pretty good condition. All the tabs are still intact. We're gonna keep that. I'm gonna buy the whole top section, the bumper. It's, I believe, $170 from Toyota, brand new. We're gonna buy that. I gotta rebuy the gasket for the hood. I gotta reuse that. I'm gonna reuse the emblem, and I'm actually gonna buy a whole new greddy lip. I'm not gonna keep this. This is gonna be like a beater bumper, like, so this is the plan. I'm gonna have the beater bumper and my car show bumper. Whenever I'm gonna go daily or whenever I'm gonna go far distance, like maybe just to visit a friend, and they probably don't even care about the car, like, just another car to me. But if I go to like a car event, like a car show, I'm gonna change the bumper and put this newer greddy lip, newer Celica bumper back on. That way it doesn't take any abuse. That's the plan, because I love the 03 bumper with the greddy front lip. No one is gonna change my mind. No one is gonna change my mind to change it. I will never. Jinx, you gotta go. No one's gonna make me change my mind. I love that front bump. I love that front end. When I didn't have a Celica and I kept seeing these pictures of the Celica, I always enjoyed that front end. Like, I just like looking at that front end, and that's what I want. I'm not gonna get that cheap, what is it, the C1 lip on eBay that's like $120 that everyone has. No, I don't want that. I want this lip. I like this lip a lot, and we're gonna get that lip. So that's gonna go on. For the front as well, we're gonna get 1/2-inch spacers. I actually already ordered those 1/2-inch spacers for the front of the Celica, and we're gonna get camber bolts to give it a little bit of camber, because I don't think it's gonna clear the wheel, the TRD wheel. I don't think it's gonna clear the fender, so that's gonna happen. We're gonna get a whole new fog light from Pick and Pull. Okay, another thing, Pick and Pull videos, junkyard videos. The junkyards have been dry. I still get notifications for Pick and Pulls and whatnot, but the thing is, when I see the picture, it's just a base model GT-S or base model GT. It's like, usually when I see something, it's gonna be on the picture and I'm gonna go after it. Like, junkyards have been dry right now. They've been dry. People haven't been crashing cars. It sucks right now. So that's what's been going on with the junkyard videos. No, I have not stopped trying to do these videos. No, I haven't. School's about to start next week. That's gonna be less time for me to do stuff right now. I actually need one more class to graduate, and after that, hopefully I just settle down with the job and just start working my way up the ladder. I just really want my sorry, I just really want my diploma from college, and I'm just not a school kid. I'm not. I never was. I would always get in trouble, and for me, graduating high school was like pure luck, and like I still can't believe up to this day how did I manage to graduate high school. I was actually falling behind in my classes, but not to make this video about me. It's about the Celica, which is out there. Oh shit. Let's go look at it. Just a quick look at the second XRS that I have. Yes, I actually haven't been working on it, but what we did manage to get was the door jambs painted. As you can see, the door jambs are painted. All that's painted. Same with the, oh god, I haven't opened these doors in a long time. Same with the back. They're all painted. They're all clear coated. It's just getting the outside part painted, and it's actually a really good condition Corolla XRS. We're gonna do more videos about this later on in the future, because this is the one I was talking about on the turbo. I'm not gonna get rid of this like how I was kind of low-key saying, but no, I'm gonna end up keeping it. We're gonna turbo this. We're gonna have fun with this. We're gonna take it to the track. We're gonna gut the interior, so stay tuned for that. More videos about this in the future, not right now. So there's a Corolla. Nothing really much has changed with it. It's still the same. I'm still in the market for the 17-inch Matrix and Theory wheels, so if anyone has some leads to that, please let me know. It's just the daily. It's the daily. Nothing new has changed on it, just other than putting more miles on it. But I can't help it. It's my daily. It's easier to maintain than this girl with her low pro tires and shit, man. So here's the front end. As you can see, my fog light's cracked. Obviously I hit something. You can see right there missing some paint. So what happened was the bumper, it's this bottom lip, it's downwards now. It's hit as this like You can't really see, but it's disconnected itself from the lower grill. It's moved apart, and also this right here, this broke off and it's just flapping around. The screw will not hold on to here no more. The bolt, I guess you could say, and as you can see, the clip that goes right here broke off, and I'm missing the nut that goes right here. I don't know how, and it's just a really flimsy bumper right now. Yeah, it sucks, and we need to fill in this wheel gap right here. Those spaces are gonna come in and it's gonna make it look really nice. And I also have to do something about my headliner. As you can see, it's sagging. Other than that, this is its current state is. I mean, I'll have more videos of it. I already ordered more things to it, so I'm gonna try and revamp the channel and like bring it back from the dead, I guess you can say. So stay tuned for those videos. I'm gonna end this video now. I didn't want to make this video too long. I'll try and upload next week. I'm sorry guys, but it's just, I don't know, maybe later on in another video I'll talk about what's going on in my life right now, more personal. But for now, just an update on the cars. You don't need more right now. Stay tuned. We're gonna make this look car show worthy again. Don't worry, people. And just thanks a lot for the support on Instagram. If you haven't followed me, follow me here. Corolololola. Yes, that is my Instagram name. It's not too slow. My YouTube is too slow, and my Instagram is Corololola. That's it. I don't want to make this video too long, as I said. And if you guys sticked around for this long, thank you guys. We're at 810 subscribers, I believe. Thank you guys. Thank you. As I said, let it be. When I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do another giveaway. To the person that won my last giveaway, I'll post a picture right here of his comment. He got his stuff. This is legit. It's not fake. I didn't do it just to gain subscribers or anything. Actually, I didn't even do nothing. You just had a comment on the video, so there. But yeah, we're gonna do another raffle at 1,000. It'll probably be a little bit bigger. Who knows? We'll see. Anyways, if you guys have been sticking around this long, even with my quietness on YouTube, you can follow me on Instagram. I actually post a lot more there than here. So just follow me there, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification button, share, and yeah, see you guys around.